When Dawn and I were selling our first home, we contracted with Karen and Sheila. They stepped up really big for us. They helped us out. We didn't know how this would be in Mexico. We were a bit nervous about it. They know all the rules and regulations, and they handled it beautifully for us. Everything was handled quickly and professionally. We even closed that deal while we were on a flight back from Canada at a Houston airport. Of course, then we sold our house.
And then we needed a new house, of course. So then Karen brought us out here to Vista de Lago and took us around to all the homes here that were for sale. And we picked one that we found to be excellent for our needs.
The dynamic duo of Karen and Sheila made this effortless. We had to do the work of choosing a home. After that, all we had to do was show up at the lawyers and sign the papers. They completed the process right to the very last, where they delivered the deed to us. We would suggest that if you're looking for a realtor in the Lakeside area, look for Karen and Sheila, the dynamic duo.
Perfectly agree.